was so weird. Cats are worse for me.
Cats?
Oh my god! Like, I can't believe he just.
No, that nigga probably lied now.
Who?
Oh no.
Nah, he not.
No.
Bro, that shit's so crazy, bro.
But nigga, have you seen my grill so on the side?
But just buy another one.
You buy me another one. The fuck?
Nigga want me to buy him another one. I know somebody who can make some for you.
Oh God.
That the truth. That's what the fuck I get the yeah. I'm gonna call him.
You got mad cool.
I'm gonna call him. Come here. Hey, get out my closet.